This is wow.
I love you, crying.
As you can see. So now, I am going to go on the Kartika Plaza street. So the street has a lot of, well, obviously the street has a lot of souvenirs, bags, accessories, more restaurants, and massage. So, ooh, milk tea. I might do that in a little bit. Circle K, all the Circle K 7-Elevens and convenience stores, they all have like fried chicken, bubble tea, and you can actually eat a full meal there. Oh, and then for all y'all beer lovers, you can stay at a beer resort, Bintang Resort. Would they give you unlimited Bintang? I don't know, you never know. Bebek, oh, the bebek here, the duck is good. This is dedicated to duck. Grilled cockfighting chicken. If you want grilled, never mind. Well, gonna keep on going. I'm not gonna continue that sentence. A little market here to sell some more souvenirs. Traditional Balinese clothing, sandals. Yeah, I need to buy some sandals, but I don't like those types of sandals. I don't. And I don't know why, but they sell a lot of dicks. I don't know why. It must be for some people that like it. But I'm debating on getting a what the? Nani? What? I know some people that would like that. We are also. This is also near a beach. There's Kuta Beach nearby. I have not ventured off into Kuta Beach yet, but it should be south. No, it should be west of where I am in Kuta. That is where Kuta Beach is. Yeah, definitely going into the heart of the strip now. The good thing I like about Bali is that if you are too lazy to do your own laundry, there's a laundry service where they fold it for you, wash and dry and fold it, and then plastic shrink wrap it in order to put it into your carry-on for safe goodbye. And there's an Irish pub open for lunch and dinner. Oh, this looks like a church though, but they dressed it up like a church. But I guess when you drink a lot in the Irish pub, you ask for forgiveness right after because of the amount of foolishness that might happen after. But yeah, definitely, it's lit here. Yep. Oh, that's pretty cool. Picture taking opportunity. I don't know if this is a real car. Actually, it is a real car. It is a real car. Yep. Nice. Bali Dynasty Resort. Boom, 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 boom. There's an Indian restaurant here as well. If you like Indian Bollywood restaurant, the tour package. This is also where you can pick up excursions. If you want to get a tour, it's over there. Yeah, it's a nice place to walk after you're done eating, because as you can see, the strip goes all the way down there. It's like a beachside storefronts where you can go get massages and buy souvenirs. Also, it's just a nice stroll, nightly stroll. Yeah. This is where you can get the massage. Hello. This is wow.
I love you, kind.
Oh, that's Bret Hart sunglasses.
Yeah.
Hey, what's up? Oh, this is the Crocs. Charmander. Charmander, nice. Surfboards. Oh, Discovery Plaza. That looks big. That's so nice. Yeah. This looks like a casino. Damn. It's nice. You come to the Mix Club, which is down the street on Kartika Plaza, and you can definitely party. There's a lot of tourists here, which is a good sign that you're in the right place. If you want to make a bad decision and have a tattoo, you can do that as well. But just make sure you have medical travel insurance. That's all I'm saying. Yeah, this is kind of like a food street too. Looks nice. All right, this is definitely in the daytime. This is the spot you want to go for tourist attractions and buying excursions. There's a lot of Indian food restaurants here as well, combined with Indonesian cuisine. This is also at any beachfront restaurant, there's gotta be some seafood. Ooh, look at that fish. Seafood. Fettuccine, tomato sauce, $2. Surf and turf, $20. sports bar. This is a type of sports bar, I hope, would have UFC playing. Wow. Very entertaining, folks. Very entertaining. What's up, buddy? What's up? Ah. As you can see, it's all seafood restaurants here. And they're just getting ready to pack up everything out. Look at fresh seafood. Wow. See, we don't have any of these restaurants back at home. Yeah, it's Chinese restaurant. Yep. Hainan roasted chicken, 130.
Yep.
Hello. Oh, y'all already know right now. That's one of my OG favorites right there. Sweet and sour pork or chicken. And if you love seafood, right there. Air-conditioned room outside, inside. Oh, mutton fried rice. This look nice. If you want to, we can, just for fun. Alright everyone, now I hope you guys enjoyed the sights of Kartika Plaza. It's definitely very enjoyable, very entertaining. If you want a massage, souvenir, gifts, if you want funny gifts, random troll gifts that you can get for your friends back home, you can. Oh, if you want to see obnoxious drunk people, you can also see that too. So anyways, like, subscribe, comment below. Do you want to come to Bali? It's the rainy season right now in February 1st, but is it raining? Is it really? I don't think so. Anyways, see you in the next video. Peace. What's up everybody? Here's your boy Phi from Phi-nex TV. And as you can see, I am in none other than Pantai Melasti Beach. This Melasti Beach is known for its high cliff sides that looks very picturesque. As you ride down here to the beach side, you will see cliffs that are basically like 50 meters high and very wide, very, very picturesque and very aesthetically pleasing.